In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download PUBG on your Android device. So downloading PUBG on your Android device is very simple. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Google Play Store. Once you open up the Play Store, you can then go to the search bar right at the top of the screen, and then you can search for PUBG. Once you search for PUBG, as you can see at the top, there will be an option to open up PUBG Mobile. So you can click on this and then you can now click on install. Once you click on install, all you simply need to do now is wait for this to be installed on your mobile device. As you can see, PUBG is now finishing installing on my Android device. And once it's finished, you can click on the play button to open up PUBG. So for example, if you click on play, as you can see, it will now open up. And if you want a tutorial on how you can download it if it's not available on your Google Play Store, be sure to leave a like on this video and I will release a video showing you how you can do that. So if this video did help you out guys, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.